Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to enhance our vocabulary by learning 15 new words with the letter I. So let's begin. The first word is idyllic. Idyllic is an adjective. Its meaning is peaceful and beautiful or perfect without any problems. Its sentence could be, we bought a house set in idyllic surroundings. The second word is illustrious. Illustrious is an adjective. Its meaning is very famous and much admired, especially because of what you have achieved. Its sentence could be, the composer was one of many illustrious visitors to the town. The third word is imminent. Imminent is an adjective. Its meaning is in context of especially something unpleasant likely to happen very soon. Its sentence could be, the species is in imminent danger of extinction. The fourth word is impediment. Impediment is a noun. Its meaning is something that delays or stops the progress of something. Its sentence could be, the level of inflation is a serious impediment to economic recovery. The fifth word is impromptu. Impromptu is an adjective. Its meaning is done without preparation or planning. Its sentence could be, the government agency held an impromptu press conference this afternoon. The sixth word is inanimate. Inanimate is an adjective. Its meaning is not alive in the way that people, animals and plants are. Its sentence could be, a rock is an inanimate object. The seventh word is inception. Inception is a noun. Its meaning is the start of an institution, an organization, etc. Its sentence could be, our school has grown rapidly since its inception in 2004. The eighth word is incognito. Incognito is an adverb. Its meaning is in a way that prevents other people from finding out who you are. Its sentence could be, celebrities often prefer to travel incognito. The ninth word is indelible. Indelible is an adjective. Its meaning is impossible to forget or remove. Its sentence could be, her performance made an indelible impression on me. The 10th word is indigenous. Indigenous is an adjective. Its meaning is in context of plants and animals having originally developed in a particular place rather than having been brought there from somewhere else. Its sentence could be, the kangaroo is indigenous to Australia. The 11th word is inevitable. Inevitable is an adjective. Its meaning is that you cannot avoid or prevent. Its sentence could be, a rise in the interest rates seems inevitable. The 12th word is innovative. Innovative is an adjective. Its meaning is introducing or using new ways or ideas of doing something, etc. Its sentence could be, there will be a prize for the most innovative design. The 13th word is inscrutable. Inscrutable is an adjective. Its meaning is in context of especially a person's expression which is impossible to understand or interpret. Its sentence could be, the scientist was wearing that inscrutable look again. The 14th word is interim. Interim is an adjective. Its meaning is intended to last for only a short time until somebody or something more permanent is found. Its sentence could be, the supervisor only holds the post on an interim basis. And the 15th word is inundate. Inundate is a verb. Its meaning is to cover an area of land with a large amount of water. Its sentence could be, Many sheep were lost in the floods and the city was inundated. That brings us to the end of today's video. How many of these words did you already know? Do let me know in the comments section. I'll be back with more words in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel English is Easy with Jaya Chanani. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.